So the climate projections, so what the climate scientists are saying the future might look like, is certainly warmer, and that's consistent across the whole of Australia. But changes to rainfall patterns can vary depending on which region we are. With a lot of the dairy industry located in Victoria and southern New South Wales and southeast and South Australia, those sorts of regions have already experienced a decline in winter and spring rainfall, along with increasing temperatures. So that decline in rainfall has caused a shortening of the growing season, and farmers are starting to adapt to that. That might be looking at different species, moving away from just ryegrass to looking at things like chicory or tall fescue, where they can grow more into that shoulder of the season. In that region, those trends which we're already seeing are really into the future. There's going to be a continuation of them. So continue to increasing temperatures, but predicted to be a continued decline in that winter and spring rainfall. In a place like northwest Tasmania, where there's a lot of dairy production, which is a cool temperate climate, a bit of temperature increase is not really a detrimental thing down there because it's already quite cool. So increasing temperatures may boost pasture growth rates a little bit in that region as that cool temperature through the winter months in particular is overcome. As you move further north, there's really, the warming trend is consistent across the whole of the country, but the projections for rainfall do change. So as we move further north, like here we are on the mid-north coast of New South Wales and further north, we don't get that clear signal to what the rainfall is going to do. The rainfall in these regions is already highly variable, and there's not a clear signal about a drying trend, but variability still to exist and perhaps to intensify. The other key thing which has got a lot of farmers' attention is extreme events, so bushfires, floods, heat waves, those sort of climate related events. So bushfire risk we've seen through parts of Victoria and New South Wales in recent years has spread into more regions, and we're expecting that the number of days with extreme bushfire risk to increase. Intense rainfall events can also increase because a warmer atmosphere has potential to hold more moisture and can create larger rainfall events. And heat waves, we've seen many of them as well, with average temperatures increasing and also getting more of these prolonged heat events.